Well, eBay is an e-commerce company which operates the ebay.com platform, online classified sites, and StubHub.
Yes, StubHub is sort of like a CompuTicket in the US and sells tickets for all sorts of events. It has a market cap of $35 billion. It trades on a PE ratio of 19.5 and doesn't pay a dividend.
Stack up eBay against the other players that we've been chatting about.
This one's always fascinated me because in this throwaway world, you know, where you've got very much a young audience that's in a society where the throwaway side of things is very prevalent. Here you have the ability to buy second-hand goods, and it's not. I know it's not just second-hand goods, but when this came along 10, 15 years ago, I was quite surprised. It's been phenomenally successful.
Have you used eBay before?
I've never actually used eBay. I've used the local equivalents and stuff like that, but I've never used eBay in itself. But from anything when I've talked to people about it, they say, no, this thing works seamlessly. And they have if you're using a credit card or PayPal, I mean, they developed PayPal going way back as well. There's almost like a built-in guarantee here, so you're not going to get schmockled.
Byron, can you give us some on-the-ground analysis on this one? Do you use eBay?
I've never used eBay. I don't think it's ever been really relevant in South Africa. But I have seen people who rave about it and use it, although there is a lot of competition coming in. I mean, these guys basically pioneered the online classifieds. You can go buy antiques, you know, the whole hipster generation buying these old things and reusing them and so on. And, you know, like Chris says, it is very safe and guaranteed. Some people thought the PayPal side, which they separately listed, was the jewel there. So it has lost that now because you can buy that separately in the stock exchange. But they also have stakes in a lot of their competitors like Gumtree and so on. And there was a recent article actually in the Wall Street Journal about Naspers wanting to go into the US because Craigslist is a bit chunky and isn't as sort of solidly flowing as the OLX brand of Naspers. So there definitely is room for more competition in the US.
Well, there we go with the share price graph. Also a nice little uptick there.
Yes, and this is obviously after they offloaded the PayPal, and it has done well quite recently. I don't know, I just feel that the sort of competition coming through is a bit heavy. I don't see anything exciting about eBay compared to the other ones we're talking about.
Chris, are you enthusiastic about eBay? We're getting Byron, who seems a little lukewarm.
Yeah, look, it's a good solid performer, and relative to the others, it's a lot cheaper. But I find it awfully difficult to get that enthusiastic about it, so I'm not really hot on it.
You're not hot?
No.
No, I'm going to agree. I'm also not hot on it. There you go. We're not hot on one.
Well, there we go.